What's up, YouTube? So today we're doing a toaster review. I got this Batman toaster from a friend of mine, Neverland. Chris, thank you so much. This was a Christmas present of mine. So I figure I'm going to do an Amazon review. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I'm getting paid to do these reviews. So here we go. I'm going to make the toast. We'll see how it turns out. Get that cooking. Show you guys the blender, or the toaster, I'm sorry. This thing retails for 50 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link below if you want to purchase it. Very cool, pretty expensive for a toaster, but well worth it. I made some toast earlier. It looked really cool. We'll see how it turns out. Batarangs. We got the cutting boards. Laser Eyes Etching on Instagram if anybody wants a cutting board. Waiting for this to toast. I could show you some more Laser Eyes Etching on Instagram. Wait for this to toast. Grab some meat while that's toasting. I'm gonna make a chicken sandwich. I'm gonna skip the dressing. We got some cut up rotisserie here. I'm gonna go with the low fat mayo. Yeah, we're gonna skip that. We normally put some lettuce on it. I don't feel like doing it though. Toasting, very cool, looks awesome. The toast turned out great. I made some earlier today. Just waiting for this to toast. Damien's in the other room, he's got a play date. This can come in 2 toast or 4 toast options. This is just the 2 toast. Click the link below if you're interested. Makes a great gift. I'm starving right now. Extra wide toast slots, high-rise toast lift, hinged crumb tray. Says it's $29. I just checked Amazon, it was $50. So I don't know, you might be able to get a little bit cheaper. Almost done. All right, here we go, guys. The Batman toast. Turned out awesome. Hope you liked it. I hope you like it, guys. Comment below what you want me to review next. Follow all my socials for my diet, training, and nutrition tips. Like the video if you liked it. You watched it till the end, so I think you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys. Batman out.